Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to merge your PDF documents. I will also be showing you how to split your PDF documents. I will also be showing you how to compress PDF files. I will also be showing you how to convert a PDF to a JPEG as well as a JPEG to PDF. I will also show you how to read a HTML file using a PDF. Guys, this website is very new, and it is a website that is developed just to help you guys to manage your PDF documents under a single web page. So to get the website, you can simply use any web browser. It depends if you like Firefox or Chrome or Opera Mini. It is up to you guys. You can simply use any web browser and the system will be able to access that. So guys, without wasting time, let's dive into the tutorial so that I can show you how to manage your files. So you can simply open any web browser, and then on the search area you can simply type now the keyword that will take you to the very website. Alternatively, if you start a web browser but you can't see the search engine there, you can simply maybe use Google and then just hit enter. So guys, you'll automatically have it here, and then that is where now you type the keyword. So the keyword here is the Hubtech Smart IQ, guys. So this is the very website that will take you to there's the site whereby you'll be able to manage your documents. So here it is, the Hubtech Smart IQ Brainers. Just click on it once so that the system to open it, and then from there, guys, this is the website, and you can see on your left hand side we have the the link here that is under documents toolkit. You can simply navigate and click on it once, guys. So this will again open a website whereby now you will be allowed to maybe to manage your documents freely, very freely. So your complete PDF toolkit absolutely free, guys. I really like this website because it makes my work very easier. I'm able to operate and to manage my PDF files under the very single website. Guys, as you can see here, we have a number of options that we can use. The first one is just about merging a PDF. Guys, when you have a number of PDF documents that you need to merge, you can simply use this website. It is so amazing, so amazing. I really like it. Now, to begin, let's say by merging your PDF documents, you can simply click on the option that you want. So the moment you select the first option above here, then down here you have to provide the file so that the system can merge everything for you. So just click on this and then click on, maybe select the PDF files, or you can simply drag and drop your files, the ones that you want to merge. Then after that, the system will be able to merge everything for you. So guys, I have a number of PDF files that you can merge. I think we can use 1, 2, 3 PDF documents. So you can just highlight and then you click open like this. So you can see down here you have a list of selected documents that maybe you want to merge. Now, what if you don't want, maybe that's a file that you don't want to merge? You can simply use the X button like this so that you remove it from the list until you get only the files that you want to merge. So you can simply use the X button. For now, let's go with the three documents or files. So, okay, let me first select on this one, and I just come down here, and then I pick the files, and then just open. So guys, we have okay, let me refresh because it's like this is the site is still detecting that. Okay, so we can simply maybe use this option and then just come down, click on this one here, and then highlight the three files that you want to merge, and then now you have your list down here. So once you have all the lists that you want to merge, you can simply click merge PDFs like this. So PDF files merged successfully. Click download to get your file. So this is the button, guys. Just click on it once like this, then your file will automatically be downloaded. So you can simply click on this one, then just double click this one here. Let's check. Okay guys, now we have our PDF documents have been merged, and you can see now. So you have everything there merged. And then another option that you can also do, guys, we have split. So for example, just click the file that you have merged, this one here, this one, okay, this one here. So if you want, let's say, to split, let's say the first page whereby we have the population, you want to split this one from this the merged file, you can simply do that by using this option here. So you just click on it once, and then after that you come down so that you select the file that you want to split. So just click this option here, and then let's go to download. I think we have it on the download. Here it is. Just click and open. Okay, so now you need to provide the page that you want to split, guys. Here we only want to split the first page, so make sure that you type page 1 or page 2 or page 3 or page 4. It depends, guys. So but for now, let's go with the page 1. Just enter it there, and then you split. Just click split the PDF. So after that, you can simply hit the download button so that you can download the split document. Just click on this one here, then just open, guys. So you can see here we only have one document which has been split. um, hmm. So that's what you can do, guys. It is very simple. This website is so amazing. It is so good. It is very easy to navigate about because it is all about dragging and submitting. Then everything now you leave it to the system to process it. Then another option that you can also do, guys, we also have a compress option. Now, this one is very, very much important because you may have a document that has maybe a higher size that when sending it through the internet, it takes a longer time than usual. So with this website allows you to compress or to reduce the size of the PDF so that to make it easier for you to transfer it maybe on the internet. Now, without wasting time, just hit the option that is compressed PDF, and then you come down here so that you upload the file or you select the file from the system by just hitting on this button here. So let me first confirm. Let's go to desktop. That's where I have a number of documents like this one here, guys. This one, let me check the size. Okay, so the size is 1.6, guys. You can see. So let's see what will happen after this document has been compressed. So we can simply click on it, and then we add it to the to our website. Now down here, before you compress, you need also to change the file or the compression level, whereby we have the high compression and the lower compression. So with the higher compression, this one automatically increase the size of the file, and then when you bring it back to low compression, then this one will again reduce the size of that file, which again will make it very easy. But another very important thing, guys, is that even if you reduce the low compression of that selected file, the quality will just be maintained, guys. This is so amazing. I really like it. The quantity will just be the same. The only thing that will be affected is the size of that file. So you can simply go ahead and click the compress PDF. So this one has been compressed and reduced by 10%, guys. You can see. And then if you click on download, button, then the system will be able to download that for you. Now you can see it is now 1.5. So instead of 1.6, it is 1.5. That means the file has been compressed or the size has been reduced. You can see here we have 1.4. Okay, guys. So this is so nice. That's how you can maybe go about the compression option. And then we also have a JPEG to PDF. Guys, there are those sites that normally requires maybe a document, or a document to be uploaded to be in a PDF format. But if you have that document maybe in a JPEG format, now you are wondering how you will be able to upload it. This site will automatically help you to convert that JPEG to a PDF format, which will make it easier for you to upload it just for free. Now, without wasting time, just click on this one here, and then you come down, that is under select JPEG files. Just click on it once, and then from there now you'll be able to upload a number of JPEG that you have. Like in this case, I have 4 examples of JPEG. Let me just confirm, guys. Let me just confirm it to you. You can see here the format is JPEG. Now let's see what is going to happen after converting these images to our system. Just highlight maybe the 4 of them. If you need 4, if you need more than 4, guys, you can do that. But for now, let's just use the ones that we have, and then you open them. So after opening the files or the JPEG files, guys, you have them listed down here. You can simply remove the ones that you don't want to merge as well. Just the same way you did to PDF files. Then from there, you can simply come down under the convert to PDF format. You just hit on that button like this, so that you allow the system to convert everything for you. And the system is very fast, guys. It is very fast. It is something that is optimized to save time. That's why when you upload a file, it is being processed at a very high speed, so that to save time for you guys. Now, once everything has been converted to a PDF, you can simply hit the download button. That will automatically download the document for you. So you can simply open this one once, and then you open the document so that you check. Guys, this is what we have. This is the results. You can see all the JPEG, the 4 images that we had. Now we have only a single document, just a single document that is in a PDF format. So I think with this, something like this, you can simply upload it to the required website depending with the format that they want. If they want you to take it back to, or maybe to convert it back to a PDF format, you'll also be able to do that. So it is very simple, it is very easy, it is friendly user interface site, and you can see everything, all the buttons here. Guys, they have description, and they indicate that if you use this option, then this is what we'll get. Now, another thing that you can also do, we have a PDF format that can as well be converted to a JPEG format. So, for example, just like the one that we have just converted to a PDF, you can as well bring it back to a JPEG, and then you just upload it the way you want. So you can simply hit on this button, and then you come down so that you pick the PDF format file. Just click on this one. Maybe you can click maybe this one, you can just select it, and then we upload it. Then just now we have this option here, guys. Now this allows you to specify the number of pages that you want to convert. If you have a document, let's say maybe that with 100 pages, and you just want to maybe convert the first 5 pages maybe to a JPEG, then you have to provide that. You can simply talk about, let's say, for example, like maybe the first page, that's what you have to convert. So once you enter the page number, then the system automatically select that page and then convert it to a JPEG for you. But if you want to convert all the pages, that means you don't need to enter any value here. Just leave it like that. That's all pages, and then you simply add on and click on convert to JPEG. So you can just give it time. Once it's done, you can simply hit the download button. That will allow you to download. Guys, you can see now the format is now in JPEG format, not in PDF. So that means the system has already converted the format to a JPEG, which make it very easy and very simple for you to upload it. Then another option that you can also use is the HTML to a PDF. There is another complicated option that most of people don't understand, but this system or this website make it very simple and very easy, because it is going to convert the HTML codings, or the ones that are being used for programming, into a PDF formatted format, whereby you will be able to understand, read, just like any other normal book, guys. Now I think I have a very simple blog with the codes. Let me just get some HTML codes from this site, so that we can so that I can show you how to convert it real quick using this site. So the point is, we are going to convert the HTML to a PDF format, which is very friendly. It's just like a normal book, whereby you'll be able to read. Maybe you can take something like let me just take even this one here. And I think I also have some HTML codes here. Yeah, the guys like this. We can simply highlight a HTML codes by holding Control A to select all, and then Control C to select all. And then once copied, you can simply go back to your website, and then now you click on the HTML to PDF, and then just come down here, whereby you have now the text box where you can paste now what you had copied before. So these ones are just examples, so you can simply highlight, and then you delete. After that, you just paste now your HTML codes there. Then after that, just come down, so that you allow the system to convert everything for you. So convert HTML code to a PDF document. So just click on this one here, like this. Okay, so the system is now converting everything for you. Just give it time. So once it is done, you'll be able to get the download button, then just hit on it once. So the processing depends with the amount of HTML codes that you want to convert. Like in this case, this is what you have. So let's see what is happening. Just go ahead and hit the download button. Just click on it, and then once it's downloaded, you can just click on it again, then open. Guys, this is what you have. You can see now it is just like a normal PDF, written PDF. But remember, these are HTML codes that have been converted now to a PDF document. So this is so wonderful, so amazing. Everything is done electronic and digital, and very fast, very very fast, guys. So don't waste time going for expensive software that will cost you a lot. This website will just do everything for you, guys. And remember, it's like they're still working on it. I can see more other options are still coming up. I think with the time we'll have to add more options that will help us, so that we will be able to do everything under the same website, guys. So guys, thank you so much for having your time. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you're new to this channel, kindly please hit the subscribe button and do like my channel, so that by doing this, you'll be able to get amazing tutorial videos just like this, which will make and help you run your daily activity smoothly. Thank you, and do take care.